Hello once again. Well, the year is 2020, and you know what that means. Most people are going to have those New Year's resolutions of getting into shape, losing weight, staying healthy. Well, I've got an app today to show you guys that might actually help you with that. The app is called Lose It. And of course, the app says it, help you lose weight. But it not only does that, it can help track a lot more things as well. So in its main page, you can already see it's got your early snacks, breakfast, morning snacks. It goes all the way down here, and then you can see it also does your weight and your sleep as well. So that's a pretty neat option it has. You'll see that they do have a premium though. So you do get your gain insights. You have set more goals. You can personalize it, access premium content, and more. So just in case you thought it was a free app or not, you can tap on the date and you're going to get your entire calendar. So you see I haven't started much for 2020 yet. And on the bottom, say the bottom left, you tap on the little sun, which says My Day. This gives you more of a breakdown of how your day is. You have the log. You have the add button. Then you have your goals. This is where you can track your weight. You can track your steps. You can track if you have a Fitbit or Apple Watch, and your sleep. And then you can also set other goals here on the bottom. You can go down here to social. This is where you can check out your activity, look at any messages, check out with any friends, or join any groups that you want. So all in an effort to help you out and help you lose weight, get in shape, stay healthy. You can tap on your profile. You'll get your profile information. You can see that you get your steps from your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and you have a lot of other apps and trackings that you can integrate with Lose It as well. And then you have insights on the bottom, DNA pattern. You can export your data. You have premium guides, more community badges that you win, foods that you can customize. So it's got a lot of things in here that you can do. And so it's very intuitive type of app. So now, when you're using this app, you'll actually have two ways that you can log the information in. You have a little add button right here where you're allowed to scan an item. You can look at items you've previously done. You can go straight directly to your My Foods. You can go into your meals, your recipes, and your brands. So if you want to search supermarket and restaurant foods. Then you also have a little camera button, this one here, so you can scan barcodes, you can look up your library, and so forth. So you have that option as well. I actually prefer, if I've got an item, I prefer either to do a picture and have it look for it. So I'll give you an example. Let's say I want to do for breakfast, I have an orange right here. So I can do a picture. It'll give you suggestions. You can choose a suggestion. And then you can pick which one of the one suggestion matches what you're looking for, and you can add it. Hit done, and now you have not only a picture, but you also have the information about it as well. You can do the same thing. Let's say I go with a lunch stack, and I hit the add button. Let's scan the barcode in. Okay, it's going to look for it. It found it. Once it finds the food, hit add, and there you go. There's the item right there. You can do the same thing for, let's say, other breakfast items. So let's say I want to add this item here. Scan the barcode. It'll find it. Hit add, and done. And there you go. You have your items in there. Now you can actually keep track and see exactly what you have. So if I go in here to My Day, you can see now that it's changed. You can see the nutrients that I'm getting, and you can also see any bonuses in here for any calories that you've been burning throughout the day. So Lose It, as long as you use it, will help you keep track of what you're doing per day, per week, per month. And that way you can kind of get a better idea of what exactly you're eating, what you're consuming. You can track in here your water as well. And then you can see, are you really doing what you're supposed to do, or do you need to change your diet or change your exercise or whatever? So this is the way that you can lose it for 2020. I figured I'd give you guys a preview, show you how the app works. It's been redone, it's been updated, and it's a very good app. You know, something that you want to keep tracking and keep using as much as you can. All right, if you guys like the video, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and also click that bell notification so you're notified when all the new videos come out. And if you got any questions, let me know in the comments and I will come back with more videos and more apps to show you guys. Thank you very much for watching.